Okay, so grade 5 girls, we will start with a lesson 3.2, place value of decimals. Till now, we studied about place value of whole numbers. Like example, if I say 23, you all know very well that's 2 tens and 3 ones. But today, we will learn about place value of decimals. Now girls, if I ask you what is a decimal, like example, 3.2 is a decimal. 4.8 is a decimal. 5.23, it's a decimal number. So now we are going to learn how to place these numbers in the chart. Do you remember that table? Do you remember the periods we have studied for whole numbers? Okay, let us see again. So now we will learn how do we read and how we write and represent decimals through thousands.
How do you read, write, and represent decimals through thousands?
Good evening. Tonight I can see my friend Oh-Hi the Owl flying around the neighborhood. She's flying to her nest. Hey, I think she's laid an egg in the nest. Click the tree to see her egg. Wow, check out that egg. It's not very big. It's only 29 thousandths of a meter long.
So girls, how do we...
We use thousands to measure really small things like an owl's egg. I think it would help if we wrote the number in expanded form.
We will learn to read it. We will learn to write in word form.
But how do we do that?
And we will also
Perhaps
learn...
we can use a place value chart. Come with me to learn how to do that.
So, we will learn how to place this number in the place value chart. Okay?
The Brooklyn Battery Tunnel in New York City is 1 726 thousandths mile.
So we say the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel in the New York City is 1.726 miles long.
Let's explore 3 different ways to represent this distance. First, you need to understand the place value of each digit. Let's unlock this problem. A place value chart is a good starting point. Whole numbers are to the left of the decimal point.
So girls, we have tens, we have ones, as we had with the whole number. After point, what you see after point, you start with tens. Do you see this THS here, girls? You put tens and then the next number to hundreds and the other last number to thousands. So after point, remember, you have tenths. You will start with tenths. You have to say THS, that is 7 tenths, 2 hundredths, and 6 thousandths. I will say this is 7 tenths, 2 hundredths, and 6 thousandths. So where are you going to put this 7? In tenths place, 2 in hundredths place, and 6 in thousandths place. Okay, girls? Now,
decimals are to the right of the decimal point. Let's look at the value of each digit. The value of a digit in the ones place is the product of itself and 1. The value of a digit...
See, girls, whatever you see in the ones place has to be multiplied by 1. Because the place is ones. If it is tens place, you need to multiply by 10. But here, why did I divide? Why did I put 1 over 10? Because this is tenths. THS, tenths. So that's the reason I need to put 7 times 1 over 10. The best way to see is, after point, 7 is the first number. After point, 7 is the first number. So 1 0 in the denominator.